A nurse in a questionable costume with an undisclosed criminal history prompts an internal review at a Lansing hospital. It's our top story at 11. Thanks for joining us. I'm Siobhan Klepfer.
And I'm Sherry Jones. A McLaren Greater Lansing nurse is at the center of a viral video making the rounds on social media, alleging that she wore an offensive costume and didn't disclose parts of her criminal record to the state licensing board.
Josh Sanchez spoke with the creator of the video and has more on how the hospital and state is reacting. Josh?
Sherry, Siobhan, a TikTok creator, says another McLaren nurse reached out to her about photos posted last year that allegedly show nurse Crystal Crow wearing a costume with black makeup on her face. That creator says that it wasn't the only thing she found concerning about Crow's history.
This is Crystal Crow. She's an RN in Michigan who donned blackface with her husband last year on Halloween, but it wasn't discovered until recently.
This TikTok video from user RExorcist has been seen more than 245,000 times on the video app alone. In the video, Savannah Sparks shares several photos allegedly showing Crow wearing a black afro wig and face makeup during a party last year. Sparks, who has more than 1 million followers on TikTok and who used to be a pharmacist, says the tip came from a McLaren nurse. Sparks calls the photos troubling, especially of someone in healthcare
who is entrusted in the community to provide care to anybody and everybody, including Black patients. It's pretty worrisome that she would be so brazen to don blackface and allow it to be posted on the internet.
Sparks reviewed Crow's nursing license record and says Crow had 3 operating while intoxicated or impaired charges, which she pled guilty to, none of which were reported to the State Board of Nursing. 6 News obtained our own copies of all the documents Sparks points to in her video. She says other nurses claim that they tried to make complaints to McLaren before, but nothing was done. Sparks worried there is a lack of accountability not just from Crow, but also from McLaren.
Everybody deserves to feel safe when they're at work, and patients deserve to feel like they are receiving equitable care.
The spokesperson for McLaren of Greater Lansing says they were aware of the video since Friday and have started an internal review. The response to the video is, "We're committed to creating and maintaining a staff of respectful and professional clinically qualified healthcare workers," a commitment that Sparks says is yet to be seen.
Maybe this year you'll dress up as unemployed.
Now, an official with the state's licensing office, which oversees the Board of Nursing, says they received the complaint related to the viral video and it will move through their standard process.
So Josh, what has Crystal Crow said about all of this? Have you been able to reach her for comment?
Well, we tried to look up several phone numbers for her as well as her social media accounts, but all of them have been shut down or they're just haven't been used in several years.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much for that report, Josh.